In this video, we're going to talk about how to make a day off really works for you and reap the benefits for the days to come. Let's start. Welcome to this new video. It's Friday, it's now my day off. I decided recently to have one day without working on the computer. So we're back from our paddle game. We won this morning, we played well, it was really nice. And now it's time to prepare lunch and we're going to have Kimbap. So let's do it. First, I'm drinking iced homemade Kombucha. Tastes really good. Now let's do Kimbap. Let's prepare the rice. We have to wash it 5 times. With 1 cup of rice, add 1.5 cup of water. 1.5. And just let it boil. And after we will reduce and let it cook for 12 minutes. Nothing can lead to anxiety faster than working a million days all in a row. So taking even one day off can help reset yourself mentally and make it easier to have a clear head once back at work. Evidence does suggest that people who take time off tend to live longer and are happier in both their personal and work lives. Incorporate a day off once a week, allowing you to stop, take check, and focus on your needs. Escaping a busy life, tend to spend a day to focus on growth and empowerment is all it takes to reboot. It's enough time to leave everything behind. Me time is not a myth, it's real. So drop any guilt, only you can make it happen.
Avec le chaudement, c'est très bon.
Once a week I do the kombucha because we drink around 4 liters per week. It's been 1 week of fermentation now. The only thing you have to do is to remove the SCOBY, that is the symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. When it's become too big, you have to remove one layer because if it's too thick, it not do a really good kombucha. So I just do like that. You have to wash the bottle with vinegar as it kills the wrong bacteria. At this stage, the first fermentation has already occurred. Now you can add a little bit of sugar, and after 2 to 3 days another fermentation will happen, and after the second fermentation you will have the gas inside the bottle. To do it again, I add 4 liters of water. I will wait just before boiling because I use a green tea and they said you have to leave it 2 to 3 minutes in 75 degrees Celsius. I will add 4 tablespoons of green tea. Most of the time I do 1 tablespoon for 1 liter of water. I like to use a tea that has some kind of aromatics inside, like spice or herbs, but you can also add some spice or herbs before the second fermentation. For me, I found it easier to buy a tea that tastes good, so after the first fermentation I have nothing to do. It's ready to drink in 2 to 3 days if you want to have some bubbles. I add 70 grams per liter. As a snack, I will eat Greek yogurt with some blueberries. I wanted to add homemade granola, but it's finished, so I will do it again. Add 2 cups of cereal, 2 cups also of some nuts and seeds. A lot of cashew. How do you know when you need to take a sharp exit from the daily grind? There are several signs, but common ones include you just need a break, life feels like hard work, you feel confused about your direction, you're feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list, you're feeling worried or uncertain about the future. Life doesn't feel fulfilling, as if something is missing. It's important to use your time wisely during a day off so you can make the best choices for yourself and determine exactly what you will benefit from the most. Maybe start by making a list of as many healing and wellness experiences you'd like to try, or ones that have previously worked for you. You need to let it cool down a little bit, and after it will be crunchy. It takes 5 minutes to do homemade granola. It's way more better and less sweet than the one you can buy at the supermarket.
Shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow.
set an intention of how you would like to feel at the end of your break and what you would like to achieve mentally, emotionally, and physically. What's important is to be able to experience and internalize how it feels to find a level of clear thinking and creativity, something that's hard to tap into when life's busy or stressful. The aim is for this day to inspire and sustain you long after the sabbatical. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more, and see you soon. Bye!